Hey guys, welcome to another edition of sellmycomicbooks.com vintage comic book unboxing. We're getting ready to tear into a 5 box collection. It's all Silver Age, but I'm not going to tell you anything more than that. I'm just going to get into it. I don't really actually know what's in it. Ooh, that was close. Wow, these are not packed well.
To the brim.
Good God.
They're basically just put in a box
And onboarded.
Okay, we're gonna need some boxes.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
Let's see. X-Men. Just middle grade X-Men. '71. Oh, 12. Origin of Professor X. Is 14 the first Sentinels? I think it is, isn't it? 26, 27,
I don't remember.
28.
Yeah, I never really read the earlier ones. Didn't have access to them.
Alright. Jeez.
Oh, they did have backer boards in the center to separate the stacks.
And they didn't even go to the top.
So we have a bunch of X-Men, then we have a Marvel team-up mixed in. A Thrash
yeah.
one.
But it's in humans.
Well, these are in pretty decent shape.
Not bad. Oh, melty tape.
God, I hate tape. Tape. Comic book's the worst enemy.
And they're golden age pet. Oh,
Take that out of that.
that's a weird one. Oh, and it's bagged and boarded though.
Oh, okay.
So at least it's protected.
17, 18. These are not in any sort of order.
Doesn't seem to be.
But this condition is decent.
Especially for how they were shipped.
Yeah. Oh, God. 21. Wow, these are really nice. Four. I'm not going to go through all these X-Men.
Let's see what else we got. Got like a whole stack of X Factors here.
Yeah.
13, 15, 19, 24.
Oh, there's X Factor 5.
24.
Oh, you just pull it out.
Well, I don't have a hand to do it.
Oh, okay.
Help me.
Oh, here, I have 2 books.
Stuck together.
There's no 6. No.
6.
No 6.
Yeah, I got 13 up in this stack here.
Anything good over there?
Really?
Kind of multitasking here.
Why not though, right?
I don't know where to
It's a
fit.
stack of copper books. And some more X-Men under that. Okay.
Oh, human fly.
I knew you'd catch on to that one. That's the big seller in this place. We never let a copy of this go past us. Yeah, random classic X-Men in here. Fly.
It's like a bunch of fly.
Yeah, up to 11.
Alright. You just give me those, I'm going to stick them in the box here.
There you go. What do we got here? X-Men 39, 40, 41, 49, 51. Neil Stranko cover. That's nice. 52, 53. It's a Neil Adams cover. That one? I think it is. Eric the Red, too. More Adams. Sentinels. Do you want those for the
Yeah.
box? And a whole bunch of Novas.
No, Nova 1, huh?
No, it starts at 18 and keeps going up. 25. Defenders, 131. The new Defenders.
Oh,
233,
even better.
34, 39, 40. Yeah, it's a solid run. 15, 20 issues.
Hey, you want to hand me those? We'll stick them in the box.
Right there.
Ooh, X-Men 7.
Return of the
Yeah.
Blob.
Ooh. 7, 11. Then we're in the
Give me
classics.
the X-Men.
You know, some of those issues that we didn't see could still be thrown in there.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like.
You don't have to go through all the classic X-Men. If it's all classic X-Men, just give it to
It
me. I'll
is
put it in the
up to
box.
22.
Alright.
Got an X-Men 7 or 60 right here. First Sauron. Soren? How do you say that?
I always said Sauron, but I'm probably wrong.
Some old Marvel presents Guardians of the Galaxy. Is that the first? It's gotta be damn close if it's not. Was it number 1 that was the first? And they continued on?
No, the first is in Marvel Superheroes 18.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
I pull that
I
out.
mean, limited.
Yeah.
Number 3 though? Really?
Well, they
Well, you
do
could
seem to
have-
be randomly stacked
Yeah.
here, so. Some actions. More actions. Some Jimmy Olsen to round it out. Superboy, Superman. World of Krypton, World's Finest. Yeah, nothing too spectacular in here. Some
No.
more X-Men in here. You want those for the stack? This is old classic X-Men. Never even seen
And there's
that
no
one.
Invaders 1, pull that out.
That is nice.
It's not very nice though.
Invaders annual one,
No.
16 and 18.
Give me those two.
And there's still more.
This box is packed completely and utterly full. Iceman miniseries. Hey, maybe he'll get popular again with his new series. Beauty and the Beast, Dazzler and Hank McCoy.
That sounds like an odd pairing to
Doesn't
me.
it? Almost as much as Wolverine and Kitty Pryde.
No, I get that much more. Because he's a father figure to a lot of...
Well, yeah, absolutely. But, you know, the world's deadliest man and the young Jewish girl who just joined the X-Men hanging out together. Nightcrawler.
Oh, Jaws homage cover. That's cool.
What do we got here? Hulk Annual 3. Hulk 237. No, that's all for Hulk so far. World's Finest. The Batman. That is totally destroyed. Is there 2 in there? There's only 1. Is
Put that in
that
that pile.
Adventures
Hey.
of Big Boy.
Bob's Big Boy?
Oh,
No,
a
oh,
bunch
there's
of
a
them.
few of them. That'll make a good lot.
Hopefully the crosswords and stuff aren't done.
I'll let you check that later.
Oh, of course. It'll all go into a lot.
Bronze Age
so.
Captain Americas and the 230s. 250s, 270s. Yeah. Here, I'll give you this stack. Or I'll stack these in here.
More bronze caps. Nothing too exciting.
The bottom, no. The last stack. Invaders.
Alright.
Let's see what we got in this box.
Alright, Invaders. Yep, Invaders. Maybe a Captain America Annual. Captain America 27. Or 127, I should say.
27.
Wish it was 27. Well, there's Nova. Where's Nova 1? It's not here.
It's in someone else's collection.
That stinks. And that's it. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for checking out another one of our videos. As always, we're on the internet at sellmycomicbooks.com, on eBay at sellmycomicbooks, and subscribe to this video because we're awesome. Talk to you later. Bye.